If you're looking to add an intake form to practice better and streamline your client onboarding, this quick guide is exactly what you need. Practice Better is a great tool for managing client sessions, but its intake form feature could use a bit of exploration to maximize its effectiveness. So let's dive right into how you can add an intake form to Practice Better, and I'll also throw in some alternatives you might want to consider, especially if you're looking for more functionality. First, let's get into the basics of adding an intake form. From your Practice Better dashboard, go to the Forms section. Once you're there, you'll see the option to create a new form. You can select New Form and then choose Intake Form. The platform allows you to add various fields like text boxes, checkboxes, and drop-downs, depending on the information you need from your clients. Next thing, let's talk about customization. Once you're in the form builder, Practice Better offers quite a bit of flexibility. You can easily rearrange fields and even add sections for more complex intake needs. If you're offering services like therapy, coaching, or wellness consultations, you'll probably need to include things like medical history or personal goals. You can tailor the form to match your specific practice, but keep in mind, the user interface isn't always the most intuitive. The fourth thing you should know is that Practice Better allows you to set conditions and make fields mandatory. For example, if you're asking for emergency contact information, you can ensure your clients can't submit the form without completing that section. It's a nice touch, but don't get too excited about the logic and conditions options. It's pretty basic compared to other software out there, and you might hit some limitations as your intake needs get more complex. Now, let's look at how to share your form with your clients. Once your intake form is ready, you'll need to assign it to a specific client. You can send it directly through Practice Better's client portal or email it to clients for them to complete online. It's a streamlined process, but again, some competitors offer a more automated and integrated system for ongoing client management, so be mindful of how often you need to remind clients to fill it out. The next thing is how to review the completed forms. Once your clients have submitted their intake forms, you'll be able to view them directly in the system. The form data is organized neatly, but if you're handling a large volume of clients, the process might not feel as seamless as you'd like. If your practice scales up, this part could start to feel a bit tedious. Now, let's talk about alternatives. While Practice Better does the job when it comes to intake forms, you might want to explore options like Simple Practice or JotForm if you're looking for a better overall experience. Simple Practice has a great intake form builder with more advanced features like e-signatures and automated reminders, which could save you time in the long run. JotForm is another solid choice if you want something that integrates seamlessly with a variety of other software. It also allows you to create highly customizable forms with a much better user interface. So, here's the thing. While Practice Better can work for simple intake forms, you might quickly outgrow it if you want more robust features like automated client follow-ups, advanced form logic, or integrations with other platforms. For a more comprehensive solution that also integrates seamlessly with your practice management tools, you should definitely check out the alternatives. Before we wrap up, I want to mention that if you decide to give Practice Better a shot, I've got a link in the description for an exclusive extended free trial. But if you're after something a bit more feature-packed and tailored to your growing practice, I've also listed some amazing alternatives down below, each offering a free trial, and they might just be the better option for your needs. Check out the links, and remember, these extended benefits are only available to our viewers through our link. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore those alternatives to Practice Better.